But right now, probably you saw on the video miniature, I will try to fit such a handle on the passenger side on the A pillar is in first. I purchased this stuff on eBay, and according this looks like a original part. Looks, yeah, we can be originally, yeah, for ducato. But looks quite cheap, to tell the truth, but enough strong. It should be fitted by fitting just two these reeve nuts. This is like a not round reeve nuts, so it's easier to fit because you can do it without like a riveting tool. Just fit into the hole, then tied by spanner, and it's done. Of course, probably I will use the reeve nut tool, is faster. Okay, according to the description on eBay, it should be easy fit. So let's try. I will do it, and I will try to show full process if battery lasts. Some vibration because it sits on the stand, sits on the seat, yeah, so it's a possibility, so it will like vibrate like that. What I can do, I have to rip out the plastic on a pillar or a post. I already start to do it. It's quite easy because it sits on some clips, so just you have to pull out it from this rubber and rip. What I think is better to rip it from the top. From bottom is impossible, but from the sides maybe something can broke. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so we see this is sits in this white clips with it. So it's simply, to tell the truth, here set like a pin for the pinhole, so we can localize it, and probably this handle will be here. Let's check it. Yeah, it shows, so it's easier. It will be easier to make a holes here. What I'm afraid, so when I wanna drill these holes, I will be measuring or something like that. So it's this and that hole where we will fit the reeve nuts. To tell the truth, my old tripod set, so he don't wanna longer cooperate, and the head is falling off from the steam. Okay, but right now is so many expenses, so it's hard to spend money on tripod. First one. So what I wanna do, this is this pinhole here, yeah, and we have pin here. I can like just make a hole here and pry so it will be in a proper place, but let's check it. I just check the distance from this pinhole, from the middle of this pinhole, yeah, to the middle of this first, a bit complicated, but to the middle of this first one is a 145 mil, 147. Let's check the distance. It looks so this hole have to be not in the center of this, but much more to the top. Means is we have to check it somehow. What I think, after a few minutes, I have two options. One of them is mark the distance from here to here, 14.7, yeah, and make a pinhole. Later on, hole have to be much bigger, and from this pinhole I can fit. First I have to fit this in a place, then from this pinhole check if the pinhole is in the right place, and I have like some options to correct it to this size, so it's not a big deal. But let's say pinhole, I can make a 6 mil hole because smaller will be more complicated to do. So it's in the middle. Maybe not, but you have to make. It's temporary, so I don't want to connect anything. Just we will check how far. Okay, and how we wanna check it? It shows, so this hole have to be higher and more forward. Okay, so right now I will drill it with, let's say, 7. Right now it looks like it's on the right angle to the surface of this plastic in this, and that is okay. So it means we are not far away from proper hole. And you have to remember, so even if this hole will be not matching exactly, we have like a lot of space here which will cover the hole, so don't worry, be happy. Okay, so right now I have to use what you can use. Step drill, of course. It's 1785, so 18, probably 20. I usually count how many these pieces have to left outside or go inside. Okay, and the moment of it's not good. Maybe not. You see anything? It's something like nearly good but not good. I don't know if you see it, probably not, because it's too dark. But anyway, when I measure, it shows, so this hole have to be at least 3 mil, even 4 will be problem, to tell the truth. 3-4 mil higher to the top. Of course, I don't want to make a bigger hole from the bottom. Why I'm marking here? Because I want it go straight to the top, not like in a random direction. When I take it out, okay, something like that. pin into the hole. Okay, and let's try. Okay, means this hole is in acceptable place and I don't see anything from the bottom, so it's okay. So right now we have to make a second hole. How to do it always is questionable. To tell the truth, we can make assumption. Let's say it will be not far from this position. Let's take a risk. Okay, it's parallel and everything. And check. Again. Why is in such a strange place? Should be perfect, but it's not. Okay. Nearly. Okay, so this hole I also have to make a bit bigger to the top, but not so much like that. It looks like looks like maybe even not. Take a look. Maybe 1 mil, and because I wanna maybe in the future I wanna fit here kind of lamp, so I wanna left the wire inside. Okay, let's try if we can. Here I'm just on something on the goose. I wanna left here 2 wires. Just not taking out this in the future. It's too long, so okay, and let's say it's done. Looks cheap, means looks very fiat.